Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to quickly sum up the numbers present in either row or column of any cell in Microsoft Word. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Word software, and firstly what you need to do is let us insert a table here. So let me insert a table. So I've inserted a table here. So let me decrease the size. So now let me put some numbers, say 11, 12, 13. So we want to sum up all these numbers at the same time, and we want to find the total of these three numbers. So for this, what you need to do is, you can see here one down arrow like icon on the above. Just click on it, and now just click on this more comments, and just click on this down arrow icon again and select this all comments, and after that just scroll down below, and now you will see here one option, sum. Just select it and click on this add to add it, and after that click on OK. Now you can see here the sum icon has been added on the toolbar. So now you will see some instructions, display the sum of the selected cells directly after the selected cells. So now what you need to do is, in order to sum up all these three numbers, just place your blinking cursor on this blank area, and after placing this blinking cursor on this blank area, now just click on this sum icon. Voila, now you can see, without adding any plus or equal to, or without using a calculator also, we are directly getting the total of these three numbers in the column section. So if we place these three numbers in the row section, will it work or not? So let us confirm now. So let me delete this all. Now let me insert a table again. Now let us select a row section. So let me put the same number, 11, 12, 13. So will these tricks will work in the row section or not? So let me put this blinking cursor on this blank box or blank cell, whatever you want to call it, and after placing this blinking cursor on this blank cell, once again just click on this sum icon. Voila, it really works here also. So using this method, you can quickly sum up the numbers present in either row or column of any cell in Microsoft Word very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.